Who will win the Game of Thrones?
From cast members to famous viewers, everyone seems to have bent a knee to the show's series finale. Emilia Clarke shared sweet pictures with her fellow castmates, writing up her character Daenerys. "This woman has taken up the whole of my heart. I've sweated in the blaze of dragonfire, shed many tears at those who've left our family early, and wrung my brain dry trying to do Khaleesi and the masterful words, actions, and names I was given justice." Sophie Turner added, "Sansa, thank you for teaching me resilience, bravery, and what true strength really is. Thank you for teaching me to be kind and patient and to lead with love." Meanwhile, celebrities like Kerry Washington got together with friends to watch the show. She shared on Twitter, "Sitting with a circle of friends about to watch Game of Thrones series finale. We've all been watching together for years. It's the end of an era. Enough delaying, jumping in. It wasn't supposed to last forever, right?" Another show's superfan, Sofia Vergara, also hosted a finale party. Check out her amazing pictures. The epic series will be followed up with a documentary chronicling the final season. Happy watching!